how to put a link in your Instagram bio. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Instagram application here, and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now on the bottom part, you will see a lot of options there. You will see your home icon there, your search icon, plus icon there, your reels icon, and of course your profile icon. Tap on your profile and it will lead you to your profile page. So the next thing that you want to do, since we want to put a link on your Instagram bio, is here you will see two options here under your name. You'll see edit profile and share profile. Tap on edit profile here. Now under edit profile, you will see bio here. Tap on bio, and let's just delete here. And of course, you have to copy the link that you want to put on your Instagram bio, and since I have copied it already, all you have to do is to paste the link here and tap on done. Now here, tap on done again on the upper right. Now, as you can see here, you have now attached or put a link in your Instagram bio. And basically, that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.